Hello students, I am Dr. Chitra Singh, Associate Professor, Department of Mathematics from Rabindranath Tagore University, Bhopal. Students, today we discuss a topic, normal form of a matrix. Every matrix A of order m cross n and R is a rank, is greater than 0 can be reduced to one of the following form. That is IR 0, 0, 0 means that 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. You see that only diagonal element is 1 and other element is 0 is called a normal form of matrix. You see also IR 0 means that lower row of matrix is a 0. IR 0, you see that side elements of column matrix is 0 and IR is 0, only diagonal element is 0. So you see that is you obtain only diagonal element is 1 and other elements of row and column is 0. So this is a normal form of a matrix. Only you students, you obtain only diagonal element is 1 and other elements, all of other elements is 0. This is called a normal form of a matrix. Let A equals to Ij be the given matrix of order m cross n and rank R. Working rule of normal form of a matrix: to obtain a non-zero element unity in the first row and first column of A. You see that students, we obtain only first element of row and first element of column element is 1, because of you see that only diagonal element is 1 and other element is 0. So you first prepare first element of row and column is 1. So this because of you make other element of 0 to 1. If your element, first element and first column element is 1, so you use add appropriate multipliers and obtain other to reduce other elements of row to 0. You divide, if your element of first elements of row and first elements of column is not 1, so you divide the elements of the first row by this non-zero element if it is not unity. So you divide the elements of first row and first column to this element, because if you obtain two numbers of first row and first column of element is two element, your element is 2, so you divide it by 2 from first row, so you obtain 1 in first row and first column element, because of you easily preparing a normal form of matrix. A non-zero element which has been used to reduce the other elements in the first row and first column to 0 is called the pivote. I say that you make a first element of row and first element of column is 1. So because of you reduce other elements to 0, because of your first element is 1, so you add appropriate multipliers and reduce other element to 0. So this first element, this projection of matrix is A11 is called a pivote. Use similar for column operation to reduce the elements of first row to 0. We repeat this process again. You again prepare pivote for B22 element. You again prepare pivote for C33 element and obtain an easily normal form of a matrix. By example, students, you simple understand that following questions: reduce the following matrix in the normal form and find its rank. So you see that you reduce the following matrix in the normal form. Your matrix is A equals to 1 2 0 minus 1 3 4 1 2 minus 2 3 2 5. Working rule of the matrix: use row and column operation of a matrix to make pivot in A11, B22 and C33 and obtain a normal form of a matrix. So then start solving. Your matrix is A is 1 2 0 minus 1 3 4 1 2 minus 2 3 2 5. That is your matrix. So then you make a 0. You obtain only diagonal element is 1. So you see that your first element of the matrix is 1. So you add appropriate multipliers and reduce the other elements to 0. So R3 tends to R3 plus 2R1. So your matrix is 2R1 matrix is 2R1 means R1 2R1 means you multiply R1 row to multiply by 2. So your R1 row is 1 2 0 minus 1, add appropriate multiplier is 2, so then 2R1 is 1 into 2 2 2 into 2 4, 0 into 2, 0, minus 1 into 2, minus 2. So then R3 tends to R3 plus 2R1. 2R1 means that you applied for whole row of R1 is 2. So then 2R1 row is 2 into 1 you get 2, 2 into 2 you get 4, 0 into 2 you get 0, minus 1 into 2 you get minus 2. Your R3 tends to R3 plus 2R1. So you prepare a matrix for A equals to 1, 2, 0, minus 1, 3, 4, 1, 2. Then you subtract R3 tends to means your next R3 row is R3 tends to minus 2 plus 2 is 0. 3 plus 4, 7. 2 plus 0, 2 or 5 minus 2, 3. Then next you obtain matrix A equals to 1, 2, 0, minus 1, 0, minus 2, 1, 5, 0, 7, 2, 3. After preparation for R3 tends to R3 plus 2R1, you get a matrix form is this. Then again you, because of you make a normal form of matrix, so your matrix element is 0, 0, only diagonal elements we obtain 1. So then you do next process for R2 tends to R2 minus 3R1. 3R1 matrix is here, you multiply 3 by R1 row. So 3 into 1, 3, 3 into 2 is 6, 0 into 3 into 0, minus 1 into 3, minus 3. So you R2 tends to R2 minus 3, 1, so you make a matrix for A equals to 1, 2, 0, minus 1, 0. 3 minus 3, 0, or 4 minus 6, minus 2, then 1 minus 3, 1 minus 0 into 0, minus 2 into minus 3 to 5. So you obtain a next matrix is A equals to 1, 2, 0, minus 1, 0, minus 2, 1, 5, 0, 7, 2, 3. Then you see that use A11 as a pivot to make a first column of matrix is 0. So then you do your first row is also make a 0. So then you start a process for use for column operation. So C2 tends to C2 minus 2C1. Use A11 as a pivot. So 1 is simplified for you multiply approximate multipliers and reduce other elements of the matrix is 0. So C2 minus 2C1 you get C2 matrix. So 2C1 matrix is 2 0 0 multiplied by column C1 is 2. So 2 0 0, so you multiply 2 minus 2 you get 0, minus 2 7. So because of minus 2 minus 0 you also get minus 2, 7 minus 0 you also get 7. Again use again you prepare normal form of a matrix, so you make a 0 from C4 columns. So because of C4 column elements first is minus 1 and you see that first elements of column C1 is 1, so you add. So C4 tends to C4 plus C1. So you get C4 minus 1 plus 1, 0, 5 plus 0, 5 or 3 plus 0, 3. Then you see that your first row and first column is 0, 0, only diagonal element of is 1. Second use pivot, using B22 as pivot and reduce second row and second column is 0. Similar position for above, that we reduce second row and second column is 0 to use B22 as pivot. So you see that your C3 column is second element is 1. To simplify you reverse that C3 tends to C2 and C2 tends to C3. So you get 1 0 0 0 0 0 and 1 is position from B22 and C33 position is also shifted because of you see right now C3 tends to C2 and C2 tends to C3. So your position is 1 2 2 is shifted from this element and this position element is shifted to this. So this is your matrix from C3 reverse to C2. Again you see that you make a pivot 1 from B22 position, so you apply operation R3 tends to R3 minus 2R2. So your matrix is R3 minus 2R2. So then you obtain changes in R3 row. 2R2 row is 0 multiplied by 2, so you get 2 multiplied by 2, so minus 2 into 2 minus 4, 5 into 2, 10. So you subtract R3 minus 2R2 to 2, 0 minus 0, you get 0, 2 minus 2, you get 0, 7 minus 4. So 7 minus 4, to 7 plus 4, to 7 plus 4 you get 11. Again 3 minus 10 you get minus 7. So you see that your second column, the second column element is third row, second element is also 0. Again used C3 tends to C3 plus 2C2. A equals to 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, minus 2, 5, 0, 0, 11, minus 7. A equals to 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, minus 2, 5, 0, 0, 11, minus 7. Use operation C3 tends to C3 plus 2, 2 because you also prepare that column C3 is 0, 0. So then use operation C3 plus 2C2. So 2C2 operation is, 2C2 is this, 0, you multiply by 2, to 0, 2, 0. C3 tends to, you changes is obtained only C3 column. So C3 tends to C3 plus 2C2. So C3 0 plus 0 you get 0, minus 2 plus 2. So you get 0, or 11 plus 0 you also get 11. Again use operation because of you see that you use pivot, you make this second row is also 0. So B multiply by C4 tends to C4 minus 5C2 because you use pivot 1. So then you add approximate multipliers and subtract and add and make a following row and column is 0. So C4 minus 5C2. So you multiply 5 for column C2. So 5C2 column is 0. 1 multiply by 5, 0, multiply 0 this. So C4 tends to C4 minus 5C2. So 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 5 minus 5 you also get 0. The only third rows is 2 elements is left, 11 minus 7. You know that you obtain diagonal form element is 1 and other element is 0, 0. So you make in place of 11 is also 1. So again using C3 as pivot and reduce fourth column to 0. So you divided by C4 tends to C4 1 upon 11. So you divided by 11 so you prepare 1 and again use C3 as pivot and also make C4 last column element is also 0. So you see that your matrix is 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 1 minus 7. So you add approximate multipliers C4 tends to C4 plus 7C3. You add this is a minus sign and this is a 1, so you multiply it by 7. Column C3 is 7. So your columns 0 0 7. And you add C4 plus 7C3. So your matrix is, this is a 0 0 7 plus 7 4. So C4 minus 7 plus 7 is also you get 0. So this is a normal form of a matrix. You see that only diagonal element is 1 and other element is 0. So we write now from IR 0. IR means that this is the order of matrix. You see that your row is 3 and your column is 4th. Then rank of a matrix of this denoted by row of A. Rank you see that one number of non-zero rows. This is also non-zero rows. This is also non-zero rows. This is also non-zero. This is a 3 non-zero rows. So the rank of a matrix is 3. I hope students you understand normal form of a. In next video we explain eigenvalue and eigenvector of matrix. Thanks.